UPG, Yani MiG-29 upgrade, JIS Indian Air Force K Lai specially modernized Kia Gaya Hai Russia K collaboration K South. MiG-29 Ki Legacy Shuru Hui T 1980s main, Lekan MiG-29 UPG NEUS Legacy Ko Ne Zamana K requirements K Hisab SE upgrade Kia Hai. Chali Jante Hein Kia Nyamila Hai is legendary jet Ko is upgrade K through. Sabs Peli Bait Karte Hein design or airframe Ki. Visually, MiG-29 UPG Apni original MiG-29 J's Hai Dikta Hai, Lekan Andar Se Yapuri Terra Se modernized Hai. Iska airframe reinforce Kia Gaya Hai Taki Ye next 15 to 20 Sol Tak combat capable Banara. Ye jet Abzayata aerodynamic, lightweight or Zayata reliable Ho Chuka Hai. Cockpit main Opco Milta Hai Ek full glass cockpit Ye traditional analog dials Ko replace Karda Hai modern multifunction displays K Soth. Pilot K Lai Ek helmet mounted display system HMDSB available Hai, JIS target engagement or awareness dramatically improve Hodi Hai. Soth Hai night vision compatible system Bidia Gaya Hai. Upbait Karte Hein Iski engine or performance key. MiG-29 UPG powered Hai twin RD-33 series 3 turbofan engines SE, Jo East Zayata thrust, cam smoke or better reliability did Hein. Yejet Mach 2.25 tak key speed achieve Kar Sakta Hai, Jo ISEEK supersonic beast Banata Hai. Combat range be improve Hue Hai Abya 1500 km tak ka mission endurance deliver Kar Sakta Hai, or Isma air-to-air refueling capability be add Ki Gai Hai. Weapons system be majorly upgrade Hua Hai. MiG-29 UPG of carry Kar Sakta Hai beyond visual range BVR missiles, JAS R-77 or R-27, Soth high precision guided bombs or air-to-surface missiles be integrate Ki Gai Hein. Ye aircraft Ek true multi-role platform Ban Chuka High air superiority K Sath ground attack missions be easily handle Kar Sakta High. Radar system be Badla Gaya High. Is upgraded version main Lagaya Gaya High ZHUKME radar, Jo multi-target tracking or better jamming resistance offer Karda High. Ye radar simultaneously 10 targets track Kar Sakta High or 4KO engage be Kar Sakta High. Avionics or electronic warfare suite be of next level Ka High. Self-defense K Lai internal jammer, radar warning receivers or chaff flare dispensers integrated Hein JIS jet key survivability modern battlefield main or be bad Jai High. MiG-29 UPG Ka upgrade plan Indian Air Force K fleet modernization strategy Ka major part High. Iska purpose High older jets Ko new tech K Sath update Karna, Taki unki operational life extend Ho or performance modern standards K equal Ho J. To Dustin, MiG-29 UPG EK example High Ki Kai's old legends Ko Naza main K Lai fit Banaya Ja Sakta High. Is jet any battlefield main apna jalwe peli bidikatha, or abnay upgrades K Sat yet or bizayata lethal ban chuka High. Opko Kia Lagta High MiG-29 UPG K Bahrain main comments main apni rahi zero erdine. Agar video pasand ayaho to like Korean, subscribe Korean, or bell icon zarur dabayan. Jai Hind.